bought the block printed stuff in various range starting from 150 to 399. You will get wonderful items. The first one that I'm showing you, these are ideal for gifting also. These are these kind of pencil pouches. This will have this complete space inside, and there is a back button also. Festival season is coming, and if you are looking to buy something which you can gift, you can buy these beautiful purses. So this is something, it will have ample space inside. See, this is completely space inside, and backside also there is a beautiful zip. So these comes in various colors. One is this color, one is this color, another one is this very pretty color. You want to gift it to your daughter, you want to gift it to your son, you want to gift it to somebody older, younger, everybody. It's a multi-purpose pouch which can be used like a pencil pouch, can be used like a cosmetic pouch. It can be used in various ways, different color options. We have 1 2 3 4 5 color options we have in this, and these you can pick up from us just by paying 150 rupees. Next item is this next beautiful, very new design. It has got this kind of flap. This is made of leather, a very fine finished product. Comes with the front pocket like this. Then it also has a complete zipper which will have 3 partitions like this. Your debit card, credit cards, mobiles, everything will come inside this. And it also has a back pocket. And the best part is it also has got a sling inside, so you can carry it like this. There's another color option in this front pocket, inside pocket with 2 partitions, back pocket, and a complete long, and the slings are also long enough, so it is very convenient for you to carry them. Looks very nice even if you're carrying it to office, to your college, anywhere you can carry this. We have limited stock in this. 2 colors we have made in this, and this is completely again in block print. One is this color and the other one is this color, and the price of this one is just 299 rupees. Okay, next is this beautiful bag. See, look at the design of this. Is a square bag, backside like this, half leather, half block print fabric. This is mainly to carry your iPad, or see, it has enough space. You can carry your iPad, you can carry your mobile, and inside also there is one small provision of keeping things. Backside also it has zip. See, complete zip is also given on the backside, and the zip, everything is super intact, high grade quality stuff. And this has got this small sling which you can carry. You can carry it like this also, and you can carry it with the help of a sling, and the slings are also long enough so that it is carried very comfortably. So this is the first color in this. The price of these bags are just 350 rupees. This is the second color option that we have. Guys, festive season is coming. These items in big like big showrooms and all, you will get for nothing less than 800-900 rupees. They will just put their tag, give the same item for just 8, double, triple the pricing. And here we are giving you completely at the manufacturing prices. This is the first time we are launching these bags. Earlier we have shown you very different bags. This time I bought bags which are also kind of budget friendly and very smart to look at. Very durable bag. This is leather. This is complete leather, and this is not the normal one. These are completely waterproof leathers. These are completely, I'm again repeating, these are completely waterproof leather. And you see at the button, you see at the finishing, everything is superb. So if you are gifting it to somebody, the person will at least feel that you have gifted for worth 800-900 rupees the stuff. So this is again available just for 350 rupees. And this is the fourth color. This is the ikat. You are wearing it with your block print dresses, you are wearing it with your block print this thing, or even with your westerns. They will look superbly nice. So 1, 2, this is ajrak, this is block print, and this is again yellow ajrak. So these 4 color options are available in this. So this is the third item that we have got manufactured. The next one that we have is this one. Look at this beautiful design. This has got, see closely, I will show you. This has got this kind of buckle. You can open it like this, and here comes the long sling in this. And inside you will have 2 partitions. One is this one, the other one is this one. There is a flap. Backside also there is a zip. Conveniently you can carry anything inside this. Your wallet you can carry, your mobile you can carry. For mobile, for wallet, even for small uh, iPad kind of thing, easily you can put inside this. It's a very smart pattern. I will closely show you the pattern once again. Look at the shape of this one. This is available just for 399. Yes, you heard it correctly, 399. In I can name few brands also for you. These big brands like Chumbak and all, these stuffs are being sold for 1500-1600 rupees, guys. Here at manufacturing rates, we are giving you this similar stuff with similar quality. Quality wise, it is almost at par with the Chumbak product, and this you are getting just for 399 rupees. This is our fourth design that we have got manufactured this year. This is the first color option in this. This is the second color option. Everything you can carry like this or with a sling. We have not made any purse without the sling, and slings are pretty long ones. This is the third one which is available. This is the fourth one which is available. Rakhi is coming, Varamahalakshmi is coming, different festivals are coming. These, if you give to somebody, they will remember it for a long time. Very useful stuff, very pretty, very trendy stuff. So grab these kind of purses soon, because we have got manufactured very limited stuff, and you can pick this up by pinging us on 861-816-1581, and the delivery is possible across India, anywhere in India. Thank you.